Hello friends, this is Quick Meals with another quick meal. Today's meal is called roasted chicken and vegetables. So it's all going to be in one pot. Hey, let's just get started. Let's go over the ingredients real quick. Frozen vegetables, I chose Bird's Eye California blend. Choose whichever you like. There's another blend called Marinade or something like that. Make sure it's thawed out. Put it in a bowl such as this size, and that'll be that. Then we're going to take the chicken. We're going to put it in the dish here. And just put the chicken in side by side like that. And then we're going to pour in our marinade. Now you can use whatever flavor you like to use. We're going to use organic lemon garlic flavored marinade. We're going to pour that all over the chicken, bake it for 30 minutes, take it out, flip it over, bake it another 30 minutes, and we're done. Then you can go to my other video to get the side dish that is just as quick. Okay, thank you, and let's get started. Okay, in case I didn't mention it, make sure you rub olive oil or spray, cooking spray all over your pan. If you got skin on your chicken, I do not, but if you have skin on your chicken, let's turn the skin side down. I got skinless thighs, skinless, boneless thighs, and we'll cook this in the oven on 375 for 30 minutes. Then we'll take it out, we'll flip them over, we'll put the vegetables on top and cook it for another. Oh, and don't let me forget to put the marinade on there. Yeah. So let's do the marinade now. All right. Now, if you have a favorite marinade, you should use it, or you can make your own. And if you're trying to be healthy without sugar, this is sugar-free. Tessie, maize, yeah, organic lemonade, or organic lemon garlic marinade or dressing. So you can use either one. So anyway, let's just get started, all right? And we're gonna pour this all over the chicken. If I can get this lid off. It's actually a cup, so yeah. Get that all up in there. And we'll bake it for 30 minutes. Okay, before we put this in the oven, if you like, you don't have to, but I added onions, as you can see, some cute, chopped up some onions, put that in there. Sometimes I like to add mushrooms, so if you're a fan of mushrooms and onions, you could throw that in there. I'm trying to move away from salt and pepper. That's kind of a bland seasoning type deal, but as far as salt goes, I'm using Himalayan fine pink salt. It has a better taste to it, and it's healthier for you. So now I got you caught up to what I was doing behind the scenes, adding salt and onions. We're ready to put this thing in the oven. So you can either use your oven timer, or you can trust Alexa to keep the time for you. I'm going to trust Alexa this time. Alexa, timer, 30 minutes.
30 minutes, starting now.
There goes the Alexa timer. So let's get this chicken.
6 p.m.
Let's get this chicken out the oven. Here you go. Alexa, stop. Okay, so we have like 2 steps left. Okay, we want to flip the chicken over. and pour the rest of the marinade over it. And then we want to add the vegetables. So like I said, you could use any kind of chicken you want, skin or chicken pieces, whatever you want. This is chicken thighs, without skin, without bone. So we'll flip these over. Then we'll have one more step to do it by adding the vegetables. And we're gonna get a half a cup of olive oil for the vegetables. All right, so there we go with the marinade. We got us a new bowl for the vegetables. We'll just put that in there because we're just gonna shake it up in there. Should have probably put it in there first. Then we will pour the olive oil, half a cup of olive oil, into the vegetables. Now if my pan was bigger, this would go around the outside of the chicken, all around the chicken, but some of it's gonna go on top of the chicken because the pan's not as big as I thought it was. And I got more vegetables because I tried to use the rest that was in the bag. But try to put it around the chicken as much as you can and not on top of it. But yeah, I should have used the bigger pan, but that's all right. It's still going to work out. All right. So we're going to get a piece of foil and put this back in the oven and ask Alexa to give us a 30-minute countdown. Okay, dinner's done. So what we have here is roasted chicken vegetable. So here's the chicken with the lemon marinade. We have vegetables, and I had the taste for potatoes. I made this little seasoning and oven baked the red potatoes. Didn't want to burden you with that part of the meal. So here you go. Took about an hour to complete. Didn't cost very much, about $10. Serves, well, if you're eating one piece of meat, it'll serve. Well, anyway, it'll serve. So thank you for watching, and till next time. That was better than it looked. And I know portion size is important, but I'm grabbing some seconds. See you later. I think I ate too much.